Ronnie the Rabbit, written by Donna Kim, illustrated by Ella Howard. Once upon a time, a clever rabbit named Ronnie lived in the forest. One day, after playing around, Ronnie took a nap on the grass. Suddenly, a howl woke Ronnie. A family of hungry wolves was standing in front of him. The mother wolf laughed and said, "You will be a great meal for us, little rabbit." But Ronnie had an idea. He asked the wolves, "Would you like to watch me dance before you eat me?" The baby wolf replied, "I love dancing. Go ahead, rabbit." Ronnie started to dance, stepping and spinning around. The wolves became excited, and they started to dance too. But the wolves spun so fast that they felt dizzy. Quickly, Ronnie ran away.